leaving. Goodbye.
We're
We'll
going
back,
to St.
but we're
Thomas. I forgot how much wearing a mask sucks. Burning.
Oh.
Jacob has to sit by the stranger.
Yeah. Why do I have to sit next to the stranger? Why don't you?
Because you love me.
Welcome to St. Thomas.
Well, we're here. We're just on the golf cart.
Good night from St. Thomas.
See you in the morning.
See you in the morning. I'm thirsty for blood. Oh!
You gotta dodge the birds.
We've set the trap.
So we see a bird, we're gonna.
I hate slow walkers.
I know.
They're just so unaware.
We're going on the catamaran.
We are gonna go on a excursion, and we're going to swim with the turtles and snorkel and have lunch, and then come back.
That's it.
That's it.
Go. Oh, he backflopped. That was like it hurt.
Reporting for duty.
So slow. Oh, was that you? That's me. Oh. That's me. It's just my flippers.
I'm Mr. Krabs.
We've made it back. We are not dead.
Where's Dad?
There he is. All right, how was it?
9.5 out of 10. And you're like,
What are you wearing? What are those? Our last night here. We were only here 2 nights. Now we're going to dinner. Goodbye. One more thing, GoPro. We had to show you that we are matching.
Yeah. It ain't bad, ain't it?
In our linens.
It ain't bad.
Ew. Wiki wiki. Time to go home.
Yeah.
Are you ready to see our children?
Yes, yes.
Yes, very nice. There's our plane. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You can never over-sanitize the plane.
Of course not.
There's Poopsie. No one knows where Mittens is, though.
Mittens is not there.
She's being
Let's
elusive.
take a look. It's kitty cat time.
Oh, hello, Moses. Hi. I'm with my babies. You miss your baby?
Yeah.